Hi, I'm April Golightly, and today I'm so excited to share with you this amazing unboxing of this Advent calendar from Disney. Let's get started. So here is the Disney Munchlings plush Advent calendar. It has 12 plushes in it, and they're actually micro plushes. They're 4 1/3 inches, and the price online right now is $149.99. No, it's pricey, but it's kind of worth it if you think about how much each plush is individually. Are you ready? Let's open it up. I absolutely love Mickey Mouse. It's so cute. This is the Mocha Cookie Cheesecake Mickey. So stinking cute. He has a little Santa hat on with this little white top. And then he's winking with his tongue out. So cute with a little holly berry there and little embroidered ears. So stinking cute. I absolutely love him. I don't think they smell anymore, which is really nice. I appreciate that. Let's open up the next one. These are really hard to open up with nails, so they're definitely more suited to actually kids opening them up because I think it's just easy to stick your finger in and pull it open. With the nails, I just don't want to break my nails trying to open it up. Next, we have Minnie Mouse. She is Holiday Toffee Pudding Minnie. She has the little holly berry little bow there on the top. It's like a side bow. And then the green and red little sprinkles on top, and the little cupcake at the bottom that kind of looks like a candy cane. So stinking cute. I absolutely love her. She has her eyes open and her little tongue in her mouth is open so you can see her little tongue, her little red tongue. So cute. Such good detail. Again, they don't really smell anymore, which is really nice. I appreciate that because my daughter did not like that they smelled. Initially, it's kind of cool that they smelled, but in reality, if you have sensory issues, them smelling can be a problem. Next up, let's open number 3. So excited. I really love that the numbers are totally different. They're so cute. This one is adorable and it kind of looks like a cookie with the sprinkles on top of it. So let's open it up. Yay! So we have Miko here from Pocahontas, and what's the name of it? Mince Pie Miko. So cute. This like fuzzy top in the brown and then the cute little ears. And yeah, I guess he looks like a little mince pie. He's adorable. So this is actually available on Shop Disney, also on Amazon. I'm going to link everything down below. Also, hopefully it's still available because I feel like these are going to sell out pretty quickly, but you're checking them out before the season starts or way before December here, and maybe you can grab them before they sell out. But Miko is just adorable. How cute is he? So yeah, you can get it on Amazon, on Shop Disney, and it's also available at Disney World. I've seen them there as well. Or let's open number 4. It's so cute. I love that this kind of looks like a, gingerbread house. It's so cute. I love that the brown and everything, it looks just yummy and it's perfect for this festive time of year. So here we have Baymax, and he is the Festive Berry Pavlova Baymax. So cute. Everybody loves Baymax. And also this one is available as one of the giant ones. So you can get Baymax huge. I'm not sure if you've ever seen this movie, but it's one of my daughter's favorites. So cute. It's just a really cute pavlova. I feel like this is one of those desserts that are kind of like more English sounding. I probably have seen it on the British baking show before. I feel like I have. Let me know in the comments down below if you're a bake show fan. We definitely are, even though we don't make as many desserts as we used to. Let's open up this next one. And this is Yule Log Coda, which is like a little bear. So cute with the little holly berries and the festive little leaves on top, and then the swirl on the side. So cute. And he has his mouth open too. You can see his little teeth and you can see his little red tongue in there. So adorable. Really soft too. Next up, we have this super cute 101 Dalmatian Patch. And he is what is his thing? He's a holiday stolen Patch. And he has that like furriness on the top of him with his big ears. And a stollen is apparently a nut bread from Germany. So it's kind of like it sounds like a fruit and nut bread. It kind of sounds like a fruit cake. It's just like a fun way of saying it. He has the little on his face. He has got like a little kind of fruitcake-ness on his face. Adorable. And he has the patch over his eye where he has like, that's the signature of Patch with the dark color around his eye. So cute. He's got his tongue out. He's like wagging his tongue out even more than most of the other characters. So cute, very soft and adorable. Next up is number 7. I'm so excited. Let's open her up. 7's like definitely a lucky number of mine. Oh, it's so cute. I've seen this one online. I'm so excited to see it in person. This is Frosted Star Cookie Pearl. So Pearl is the little octopus. I think it's a squid, maybe octopus from Finding Nemo. So adorable. I feel like I had some of those Finding Nemo, Finding Dory toys when my daughter was a kid. And we actually like, we'd throw them in the water and she would swim for them, dive for them. This one is adorable. I'm really excited. I love her face. No tongue out for this one, but so cute. Next up is number 8. Let's open it up. I'm so excited. 8 is great. I'm sure it's going to be awesome. Oh, very cute. I really like the 8 cover. Is adorable. And who do we have here? We have Stitch, finally. I actually saw the giant version of this one at Disney World the other day. And this one is so, so cute. I really love the detail. I mean, who doesn't love Stitch? I'm glad that they actually made a blue Stitch this time rather than the upside down cake one. I'm really happy that Stitch is blue again. Yay! Let's open up, sorry. Let's open up this next one. We have, yay, Donald Duck as a candy cane eggnog Donald. So cute. I really love, you can see the little candy cane pieces on his head, on the whipped cream, and he kind of matches. I know that he looks like he's in a cup. And I think he matches or goes with the Daisy because I think Daisy's also in a cup. So he's a little eggnog with his bow tie and his little mouth is the same as Daisy's with his cute little hat. I think he is adorable and definitely one of my favorites from the group. Let me know in the comments down below which one is your favorite so far and which one you're most excited to get. Next up, let's open the next one. I'm so excited. Okay, what is it going to be? Because I know that there's a few left that I'm really excited about. Yay, it's Daisy. So Daisy is Cinnamon Hot Cocoa Daisy. She has the little flower on the top of her head with like acting kind of as a bow. And she has a little handle on the side. So she's kind of in a mug because she's a hot cocoa. And then the top of her is the, what is it? The whipped cream on top. So like her face is kind of the whipped cream. And then her mouth is the little beak, I guess it would be beak. So cute, very soft and adorable. Let's open up number 11. Yay, I'm so excited. We're really getting down to it. So here we have which one is this? Baked apple brulee Panda May, which is from Turning Red. Adorable with the winking face and the mouth open. So cute. And I love that it's the actual the color of the panda with the ears. So I'm glad that they did that. So you could definitely tell that it's from Turning Red and the character is pretty obvious. So cute and really soft. Next up we have Pluto. So exciting. This one is a reindeer rice cereal treat, Pluto. So he's supposed to look like rice cereal and he has that furriness on him and he's so cute. I wonder if I would make something like this. I feel like this would be really cute. A Rice Krispie treat type thing. Adorable. So cute. I love his look. He's definitely very detailed. So some of the plushes are actually available online, the large version. So they're kind of like pillows. You can decorate your living room with them and use them as pillows. So we have Baymax Festive Berry Pavlova, and that one is a large, available in this giant size that basically is a pillow. And then we also have the Minnie Mouse Holiday Toffee Pudding, and that's available in like a giant version. It's really cute. And then of course my favorite is the Stitch Snowflake Cupcake. And Stitch is actually a blue now rather than the pineapple upside down color, and it's just so cute. I absolutely love him, and I'm so excited, and I kind of want him for my living room. Thank you guys so much for watching. This has been really fun, and I absolutely love all things Disney. Let me know in the comments down below if you like these videos and if you want me to do more.